I am Lupaescu, Big Data and DevOps Community Manager at Codiax and Softvision. Today, I held a workshop called Talk Data to Me, which helped our audience to understand how they should use visualization in order to show the data.
We definitely live in a world surrounded by data, but we still fall short when it comes to showing it in the right manner. And basically, it's not a matter of technology, it's a matter of how we use that technology in order to show the data.
The nice part of the workshop, I would say, is that it was entirely interactive. People were able to vote on questions throughout the presentation, and we were able to check their level of knowledge on data visualization at the beginning and at the end of the workshop. At the beginning, we had a score of 41% of correct answer, and at the end, we got close to 50%. Keep in mind that the difficulty of the questions at the end were a little bit higher, so it definitely shows that people were really interested in what we wanted to show.